YouTube, what's really good? It is your guy Hitch. It's been a long 7-year wait, but it's finally over. Nike finally brought back these Eggplant Foamposites. So in 2008, Nike released the Eggplant Flightposites, which inspired these Eggplant foams to then drop in 2009, and then they dropped again in 2017. These are one of the most sought after colorways with the foam, so it's great to see them back. However, with recent Foamposite releases, we've seen Nike change some of the features and the details. So did they do that with these, or did they keep them in its true original form?
Lunch line, got a couple dollars, get hot wings and cheese fries. Split it with my niggas, same homie since knee high. Wreck ball, GG Brown, Pop Warner, Rowdy at that goalpost. Mookie got that check going, whole squad got that check going. It's Sunday morning in that jet potent. Live down to the railroad, yeah, just to see what I could see, yeah. I heard somebody call Payfield, yeah. I said, what that mean to me, yeah. Is it painful, was it terror, yeah. As sharp as a blade, yeah. And if you don't watch out, yeah. You might need it. Graduated, pledged Omega.
For those of you that love foams as much as I do, you'll be happy to know they kept these in its true OG form, starting with the Foamposite itself. So that metallic dark purple color that we love the Eggplant's paws for is here. You can smell the foam material as soon as you take the sneaker out of the box. That shiny iridescent effect that you get when the sneaker's in the sunlight still there. The soft texture to the foam material still there. On the lateral toe box, you do have the small baby swoosh in dark purple stitched into the nubuck eye stay. So they did not change the eye stay. The eye stay goes all the way up to the ankle collar, where it switches over to the black padded mesh. And on the back heel, you have your black and varsity purple heel loop. And below that is the iconic penny logo in dark varsity purple.
Squad got that jet going. It's Sunday morning in that jet potent. Fly down to the railroad, yeah. Just to see what I could see, yeah.
These Eggplant foams are gonna come with the signature oval laces in black. And below the laces, you do have the black nubuck overlay with the varsity purple stripe running through it. That overlay is stitched into the mesh booty. And at the top of the tongue, you have your black and varsity purple tongue loop with Penny's logo once again. And on the inside of the sneaker, it's all black lining with the black insole and the swoosh and ear text in varsity purple.
Yeah. From Sarah to Rock, Zeke Marley Vader Lot, Zeke Marley Vader Lot,
The black carbon fiber plate is in the midfoot, which you can see on both the lateral and medial sides of the foams. And then the foams are going to be finished off with the icy translucent blue outsoles. And in the middle of the outsoles, you do have that black herringbone traction with Penny's logo and varsity purple in the heel area. In previous videos, I did mention that these were dropping at the end of this month, but I wasn't really sure how they were going to be received by people in 2024 because there has been talk on social media that it's weird to wear basketball sneakers casually. Well, these darn near sold out instantly on the sneakers app, and all the other websites that I've checked, they're sold out there too. Now, Nike has been slowly bringing back foam since last year, going back to the penny PEs, the red metallics. And it looks like they're picking things up with this release. The anthracite foams dropped, and with talks of the OG Royals coming at the end of the year. So for any of you that said you shouldn't wear basketball sneakers casually, you sound stupid, respectfully. Foams look good with fitted jeans, they look great with sweats, and they're gonna look even better in the summer with shorts. Now that I think about it, I'm not sure why I didn't pick these up in 2017. I think I was trying to get them on a sale and it didn't pan out, but there was no way I was passing on them this time. Now, if Nike does want to try something new with foams, don't touch the foam material. You can try to get creative with the eye stay and see how that goes, like how they did with the metallic reds last year. They swapped out the nubuck for the synthetic leather. Some people didn't like it. I did. It's a fire shoe. If you do want these, I would suggest checking your local boutiques and stores, see if you get lucky. But if you can't get them anywhere, you're gonna have to go resell, and I recommend doing it now. The resale value is around $250 to $300 depending on your size, and that's likely to go up. The retail is $240 though. Also, as far as sizing and fit goes, they do have the standard foam comfort, which is good, but I recommend going up a half size. Foams are snug. And if you have a very narrow foot, maybe you can get away going true to size. But how do you feel about them? What do you think about foams? Are you copping? Hit the comments, let me know. On a scale of 1 to 5, I'm rating these a 5. These are a classic. That's the easiest and simplest way I can put it. If you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell notification if you did enjoy the video. I'm out.